Mom means business. Oh boy.
Stupid Mickey's got your arm.
Oh, just competitive here. Ooh. Oh, another three-pointer. Might be here all day. Oh, money ball. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Taco. Oh, hi. Festive.
How old is she? Shadow's grown up here at the resort, so no one's really sure just how old she is, right?
Fair enough.
Right? Yeah, we just know she gets a little pixie dust on her pancakes from time to time.
Ready to go night-night?
She's like, oh, just... We're gonna come back to Orlando smelling like another dog.
This video is gonna be titled "How to Fail Climbing this Tree" because the entire video is gonna be me trying to climb up all the way up there.
Whoa.
Can you bring the magic eraser with you, question mark? So your shoes are already wrecked again, period.
1, 2. It's called Steph Curry.
Nice.
Not photoshopped, not cropped, pure. Like that.
Woo! Bike riding at Hilton Head, baby. Day 1. Hello. Here comes Squeaky. He did it. His first bike ride. She did it. How was your first bike ride to the beach?
My legs.
Long bike ride. We deserved it.
How was your first ride out to the beach?
Awesome.
Led the way the whole time.
Even though the plan was for you to lead the way, I led the way.
You did.
So yeah, it was fun.
Sawyer, what are you drinking?
It's totally Diet Coke. Camera, taste it.
What did you get?
Kale salad.
Just like the healthy thing I got. Steak sandwich with onion rings.
That looks good.
Hunter got a...
Turkey and bacon wrap.
Nice.
With turkey and bacon and nothing else.
Fish?
Thank you.
It's a broken R. And look what it says. Look, read the anagram.
USSLSS. Useless.
It
Clever.
says useless, and I think it's broken. That's why it's broken.
Hilton Head biking. Nothing like it. A little overcast today. Sawyer's trying to keep up on his little squeaky bike.
Dad, if it says do not enter, I will go in.
Are you enjoying Murgie's Den?
welcome to MTV Cribs Hammock Edition. This is my crib. We have a pillow and a hammock, and that's it.
I can't wait to watch that episode. Hi guys.
Keep it down there.
Oh, you're leaving so what?
Are you hanging out on the porch, Mom? You're drawing pictures of the kitchen table? That's interesting. Oh. Hello, Granny.
Right down.
How's the porch?
I remember